Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about cost versus price when it comes to automotive repair. You might say, hey, they sound exactly like the same thing, but nothing could be further from the truth. The honest truth is that cost and price are totally different. Price is something you're quoted. Let's say you call around and you say to somebody, how much does it cost to service my transmission or replace my spark plugs? You're going to get a price for that, which should include parts and labor to get the service done for you, correct? Maybe replacing a wheel bearing or something like that. Maybe it's a larger repair. But the point to that is you will get a price, which includes parts and labor, if it's quoted properly. The cost is something totally different. The cost is if the repair is not done with a quality part, it's not done by a qualified technician, something happens along the way, that all goes into cost, because when the car breaks down, you have to tow the vehicle, you miss work, several other items can come into play, rental car, etc., which in turn actually makes the cost go up more than the price. So these are items you need to be cognizant of. Make sure you're having your vehicle repaired in a quality facility by a qualified technician. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.